Hello everyone, welcome to your Watts. This is Deep here. So this is my first data science analysis video. So in this video, I'm going to solve a fake news detection problem using machine learning algorithm. So I will use four classification machine learning algorithm, and I will also put a manual testing function in the end of this notebook, so that as an input we are going to, and as a output it will return us that the news is fake or not. If you are new on my channel, so please do subscribe. I post like electronics GIY project and this kind of data science related video, and also I have planned to post some machine learning and AI related video also. So let's begin. So this is my working directory. I have already downloaded the data set from Kaggle. Please check the description. I have put my GitHub repository link in the description. Check out all the required file is available on my GitHub repository. So please check it out. So now I'm going to open Jupyter Notebook. To open Jupyter Notebook, first open Anaconda command prompt. Let's activate the working environment. Now command. Now open Jupyter Notebook. So go to working directory. So this is my working directory. Now I'm going to create a new Python Jupyter Notebook. So let's create that one. So first what I am going to do, I'm going to put a heading for my notebook. That will be fake news detection problem. Now I am going to import some of the library, and if it is required to import another library, I will do it later on. Okay, let's import like import pandas as pd, import numpy as np from sklearn model selection, import train test split from sklearn dot matrix, import classification report, import re, import and re and string will be used for removing the special character and any link from the text. Okay, so importing. So now I'm going to read the dataset, that is our uh, fake and true dataset. Let's import it. df fake equal to pd dot read CSV file name fake.csv and df true will be pd dot read CSV true CSV. So let's see how our data is look like. Df fake dot head. Okay, let's see the true data frame. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will take 10 rows of each data set. For my manual testing, I also remove that data set from remove that rows from the main data set. Okay, and save it as a CSV file. So let's do it. So let's check dataset shape. Okay, dataset for fake manual testing. Sorry, manual testing will be df fake dot tail. I am going to use the last 10 column of each dataset, so that will be tail 10. So I'm also going to remove that data from my data frame. Range, that will be our fake data last total number of data, so that will be 2 3 4 8 0 2 2 3 4 7 0 10 data set. Okay, increment will be -1 df fake dot drop. So that will be the index number which is going to drop. Axis will be 0. I am going to remove row wise data, so that will be 0. In place will be true. So same thing I will do for true data set. df fake, sorry, not fake, that will be true. True dot tail. So now I'm going to remove that 10 rows from my data set. 21416221406 will be incremental type. Df true dot drop row index comma axis is 0. In place will be true. So before running this cell, let's import. So let's add a column that So let's add a column to classify that news by a numerical value, like 0 for fake news and 1 for true news. So let's do that first. Fake class, sorry, what will we see? Class, it will be 0, and df true class will be 1. So now I'm going to run this cell. So that's it. Now I'm going to uh, save that to data frame as as a CSV file. So before to do that, before saving the data set, let's merge these two data set in a single data frame. Okay, df dot manual testing, that will be, I'm using concatenate function of pd pandas. Concatenate, here will be the list of data frame which I'm going to merge. That will be df fake manual testing and df true manual testing, and access will be, that will merge by row wise. Okay, that access will be 0. Now I'm going to save this data file, sorry, data set in a CSV format. To CSV, let's name it manual testing dot CSV. So as you can see, this is our manual testing file has been created. Okay, so now I'm going to merge our main data frame, which is df fake and df true. So same way we are going to merge it. Df merge equal to pd concatenate the data frame which I'm going to merge fake and df true, and axis will be 0. So let's also see the data frame dot. So this is our data frame. In the data frame, we are not going to use this title column, subject column, and date. So now we are going. Now I'm going to remove these three columns from the main data set. Okay, so that will be df merge dot drop, putting that column name, that will be title, subject, sorry, subject and date. Now I'm going to remove the column, so axis will be 1. Also see the data frame. So that is our data frame. Let's shuffle the data set. Okay, to shuffle the data set, that will be df equal to df dot sample fraction will be, so let's check our data frame. df, sorry, df, so it has been shuffled. So let's check, is there any null value is present or not. Df, to check that, df is null dot sum. So we can see that there is no null values presence in our data frame. So let's move forward. Now I'm going to remove all the that special character and dot and other unnecessary character which is present in our main text that I'm going to remove. To remove that, I'm going to create a function which is going to help us to do that. I'm going to just copy and paste from my main notebook. So this is our function which is going to remove all the unnecessary character and link. Okay, so now let's convert that data text column text sorry text equal to df text dot apply that function name word drop. It will take some time. Yeah, it is completed. So let's see the data frame. See, all the unnecessary character space has been removed, and this is simple lowercase text. So now I'm going to define our dependent and independent dependent and independent variable as x and y. So let's do it. That will be df, x will be df text, and y will be df class. So now now splitting that data set into train and test set. So x train comma x test comma y train comma y test will be train test split x comma y comma test size will be test size. I will take 25% data as a test set. Okay, so now I'm going to vectorize that x variable. For any calculation we can't do with that raw text format, so we need to vectorize that into vectorize that text. Okay, so, to do that we are going to use we are going to import a library from sklearn from sorry from sklearn feature extraction dot text import. I'm going to use dfid vectorizer. You can use word to vector and other bag of words. I think bag of words is also one kind of method to vectorize that normal text. Okay, so I'm going to use TF ID Vectorizer. So let's import it. So now vectorization vectorization equal to TF Vectorizer. Now transfer that vector TF train will be vectorization dot fit transfer fit transfer, which is going to train train also for testing text vectorization dot only transform sorry, that is the wrong spelling. Transform x, sorry, test. So I have already mentioned I'm going to use four classification method. That will be logistic regression, decision tree classification, random forest classification, and gradient boost classification. So let's import that logistic regression. So first we are going to do logistic regression. So let's import logistic regression. From sklearn dot linear model port import logistic regression LR equal to, now defining that object logistic regression as LR. Now fitting the data set to that object LR fit XV test not train. Okay, one required argument, sorry, that will be also y train. So let's check the score of that model LR dot score. So that will be XV test y test. So our model is 98% accurate. So let's do the classification report. To do that, predict LR equal to LR dot predict xv test classification. So let's print classification report prediction y value. We need to put that y test and the prediction. It will compare our actual with our prediction value. So this is our logistic regression model we have successfully completed. So now I'm going to do decision tree classification. Decision tree classification. From SQL, let's import that decision tree classification model. From tree, import. From tree, import decision tree classifier. Okay, let's import that one. DTC, let's dt equal to decision tree classifier. Let's feed our data set. It will be xv train. Sorry, again I forget to put our y value. It will take time, so let's do our score checking. It will take some time to run that cell. Okay, now let's check the score. It is 99% accurate. So let's predict dt equal to dt dot predict xv test. Let's print our classification report. Y test predict dt. So this is our classification report for data for a decision tree method. So it is 99% accurate. So now I'm going to use gradient boosting classifier. So that is under an assemble module. So from sklearn dot ensemble import gradient boosting classifier gbc equal to gradient boosting classifier. So here we are going to put a random state equal to 0, gbc dot fit xv train. This time I'm not forgetting that y value. So let's check fit. So let's do check the score. xv test y test. So it will also take some time to run. So let's check the gradient boosting classifier score. So it is 99.5% accurate. So let's predict gbc equal to gbc dot predict xv test print classification report y test predict gbc. As you can see, that is nearly 100%. Actually it is neglecting that point value, so it doesn't matter. So now for last and final one, random forest classifier. So this is also in the ensemble module. Import random forest classifier RFC random forest classifier random state will be 0, RFC dot fit y value train. Let's RFC, let's check the score. It will also take some time. So it is 98% accurate. So let's predict RFC equal to classification report that will be y train comma predict RFC. Sorry, what again? I don't know. Let's check. Found input variable with, okay. Sorry, that will be test. So that's it. So now I'm going to do that manual testing field. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste my available function. So now I'm going to paste that function in here. New is equal to string input manual testing news. So let's open our manual testing dataset. So first we are going to test that fake news, that one. Let's copy all the text here. Sorry. Okay, we have removed that. We will rename that function as like word drop. Vectorization is not defined, so let's see where vectorization. Okay, I think I have made a mistake, spelling mistake. Vectorization. So let's copy that one. Vectorization. That was silly mistake. Copy once again. So that's it. That is the fake news that we have predicted. So let's test another news which is not fake. So this news is not fake. Let's test that one. So this is the real news, not a fake news. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. So guys, please subscribe my channel for future videos. So that will be great help for me also. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.